Hey guys, in this video I want to share some data about this amazing trace mineral called boron. It's one of the most underused trace minerals. It's kind of a neglected trace mineral, but I think it's so important. It's great for building bone. It also supports calcium-magnesium ratios in the muscle and in the bone. So if you have a lot of muscle spasm or tightness, it will allow these minerals to work better in the body. It's also great for all types of inflammatory conditions, arthritis, bursitis, tendinitis, all the itises. It's been known to increase testosterone, estrogen in menopausal women. It has anti-cancer effects, osteoporosis, we talked about that right here, and it's good for hyperthyroidism. So boron is a trace mineral, and if the trace mineral is not in the soil, it's not going to be in the plant, it's not going to be in the food, it's going to show up as a deficiency. And I really believe that most people are deficient in trace minerals just because our soils are so depleted. So if it's not in the soil, it's not going to be in the plant, it's not going to be in our bodies, and I really believe that trace minerals as a category of nutrients are probably the most deficient thing in our diet, simply because when a farmer works the land, they don't always put it back into the soil. They might put in 3 or 4 minerals, but they're not putting all the minerals back in there. And unless you're growing food on fertile soils, chances are it's not going to be in the soil. You're going to get a small amount of boron in almonds, hazelnuts, Brazil nuts, walnuts, but just make sure that if you're going to consume these nuts, they have to be either roasted or germinated, because there are certain types of factors in here like phytic acid that will prevent the absorption of minerals and trace minerals. So again, make sure these are roasted. If you consume them raw, chances are you're not going to get any boron. Now, if you're going to take boron, I would try to find a product that has all the trace minerals with it, like in a blend of all the trace minerals, because anytime you take one mineral of anything without the other minerals, it can create a problem if you take it long term. All right, well, thank you for watching. So I want to know what you're interested in as far as a future video. Click the link down below and share some ideas. I want to hear.